I don't even know how to start this off. It's kind of weird. So, the Ferrari is broken. I guess that's the one word. It's got a flat. So today, I thought it'd be really interesting if we try to replace the tire and take it and get it fixed and kind of see how you would replace a tire in a 488 Spider.
What we're gonna do is Saul told me, hey, you know what, Michael, I can call a tow truck, we can flatbed it, we can take it, and don't worry about it. No, we gotta, if you're driving a Ferrari, you know, the way you can afford these cars is to do stuff on your own. So like, no, I have a floor jack, I have jack stands, I have tools, let's do it ourselves. So today, we're gonna give it a shot, and I mean, it's like a regular car, right?
Right, it's like pretty standard, I think.
Yeah. It's not too bad, yeah. So let's get everything set up and then we'll get right back to you guys.
I'm trying to figure out where to put the jack right now. We have to look under here.
Fuck, I just realized something. Because the car is super low, that jack, if it can't fit, I would need to get my ramps and then back the car up so I have leverage.
Just a little bit of rust doesn't hurt anything.
No. I've had this for the last 20 years. My cousin gave it to me when I was a little kid, and it's worked on all my cars. I trust with my life.
Okay, so what you guys heard is if he breaks my car, he owes me a new 488. Okay, got
I'll buy you a pizza.
You'll buy me a pizza?
I'll buy you a pizza.
Okay, guys, I kind of want this to fail now. I want a pizza. Pizza. So I can go like this all day, a pizza.
How high does the front lift go?
It goes pretty high, but just watch out. While we're doing this, let me do this.
Honestly, this is probably how they did it in Maranello.
That's definitely how they did it. Let's do a cold startup while we're here, huh? This is a cold startup on a Ferrari 488 Spider. With the freestyle exhaust.
With a flat tire. Doesn't sound too bad.
We might have to Google this. Did you find it?
No. What does
it, huh? It doesn't have a jack point, huh? Italians, where did you put the jack point? Let's Google
the
it.
car jack itself.
There's a Ferrari. The car jack.
See if you can just Google what a jack point is. So it doesn't sound like Stradman's 430 Challenge, but you know what? It still sounds beautiful. It's a Ferrari.
I have to shut off the exhaust because, you know, it's getting a little too loud, but here's the difference here. Look, this is valves off and then valves on. Off. On. Big difference, right? Found the owner's manual. God, we're so bad at this.
All right, guys, we're back in business. I found the information in the owner's manual. So the jack point is where we thought it was. It just, there's no, on like the cheap cars, they have like a little black, hard, you know, metal thing that comes out from the body that you jack up. But since these cars are built so well in Italia, exactly.
Where it is.
So basically, there's a jack point right here on this crevice. So if you hear it, this is hollow, but here, it's firm. Same thing goes for the back.
You always want it firm.
In the back.
Yeah, it's not hollow.
So since the jack won't fit in the back, we're gonna go from the front, lift it up high enough so the back wheels come off the ground. Always make sure you put jack stands. Don't compromise that whenever you're working on a car. Always use that. Safety is always first. Oh, fuck!
Oh yes. Just right barely in there.
Oh, we're in business.
Yay.
Hey, we're certified Ferrari technicians.
Yes. Ferrari, give us a job and a couple of free pizzas, you know, come on.
I want to go slow to make sure everything is lifting properly, and plus this wall's kind of in the way, so we don't want to damage anything.
820? Is that the biggest you got?
Let's see, hold on.
Oh! It's a perfect fit. I mean, I feel like I should be doing all this, but you know what?
Oh, perfect, that's cool. So always do in a star position too.
Yes, sir. Come on, work it, push it!
Right when you say that, I fucked up. Because this is the wrong, this is too small, the bigger one's better.
That's what she said! Let's see who's stronger.
Go left.
Thanks. I'm gonna throw out my back like this.
Pussy! Alright, so we're gonna try to play it safe. We're gonna try to jack it from the back because I don't feel comfortable with just raising the front up so high because it's making some sound. So, literally, we're only off by less than an inch to get the jack to clear. So we have a brick that we're gonna just kind of back it up. Go for it. Wait, hold on, stop. Round two, we got something a little wider.
This is so ghetto.
Yeah, go slow, 'cause I'm washing the wheel too, but the tire. But we're good though. Keep going, keep going. Stop. Yeah, I think it's stop right there. Get our life hacks so Ferrari works. Oh, okay, we're in business, guys. We are in business, boys and girls.
Oh, baby.
We are in business.
We are professional Ferrari mechanics now. Yes. We are the
professional. Ah, fuck. For a moment of truth. Very nice.
Look at that. Oh, get a look in there. That's sexy in there.
Italian engineering at its finest.
Are those Chinese
engineering?
Are those Chinese springs?
Made there Wish.com with strings.
Wish.com. I modified my Ferrari using only Wish.com. Video coming very, very soon. Can you guys tell how sideways this car is right now? Fuck a front lift. We got a side lift. It's a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari. Oh, it's strong man. Many females are looking for anyone to put
I'm a heartbreaker
things
though.
Up. Oh.
Wheel is worth more than this whole thing.
This is a work truck. Everyone has one. It's okay, man. I have a Camry. We're about to pull up on America's Tires. Hopefully they'll sponsor us for a tire. Please,
fix it.
Please give me a free tire. No, they're not sponsoring us or anything like that. We're just generally really like them. Unless they do want to sponsor us, then no, I'm kidding. But hopefully we can get this all figured out today, because Sunday we're shooting an epic video. And I need my car for the video. Do you think we should take off the hubcap of the?
They're gonna know.
They're gonna know. They're gonna know.
What kind of vehicle is it for?
It's a 488 Ferrari. I don't know what happened to it. The other day I tried to use it. It was flat. I think there's a nail. It looks like we hit something really hard, but we didn't.
So I don't see any sidewall damage. There are a couple spots where it's possibly leaking, like possible holes.
Okay.
Wouldn't know until I actually filled it up with air and dunked it. If it's repairable, then there is no charge.
Oh my god, you guys are amazing. All right, so we just dropped off the tire. They said that it should be repairable. Hopefully I don't have to get a new tire. And if I do have to get a new tire, I have to order it, which is gonna suck. But right now we're gonna go eat because we are starving, and we're gonna go. What do you want to eat?
I don't know. I guess we should do a food vlog because
food vlog. What do you want to put in your mouth? Not.
I shouldn't say it on camera.
You shouldn't say it on camera. All right. This meal.
Food vlog.
Food vlog. I'm not gonna vlog us eating it, but it's pretty good. I love poke.
Some cinematography, some B-roll.
Some B-roll. Okay, 1, 2, 3 B-roll. If I have to pay for a new tire or not. It's repairable? Alright, I'll come pick it up soon. Thank you so much. Yeah. Right, here to pick up the tire and then go put it back on the Ferrari.
Not tires, the tire.
The tire.
Oh yeah, it was a chunk of glass that was in there.
Oh, chunk of glass?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Alright, time to go put you on. Alright, we have made it back with the wheel. Put the camera there because we need 2 people to put this on. We don't have a cameraman.
Maybe it wants a cameraman job. No.
Guys, we got the wheel on the car. It's time to bring it down.
But I'm gonna bring it down on that because if I drop it, it's not gonna be able to come out because it's gonna hit this.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay. Good idea.
We made it. Ooh, amazing.
Let's go get a torque.
Yeah, let's get a torque.
Let's go get a torque. Last thing is to just torque the rim of the wheel, and you've done that. All good?
Yeah, you want me to check the other air pressures?
No, I think it's all good. Air pressures? Yeah. Sure, why not?
A few inches later.
All right, guys. I told you guys where I'm looking for a new car. I test drove the Tesla P100D. I'm in the market for a G-Wagon as well. And even though I didn't consider it, Mercedes-Benz Walnut Creek has a G550 4x4 squared. So if they still have it on the lot, we're gonna check it out.
These aren't bad, Michael, man. I kind of like this one. It looks just like mine.
It's not for sale.
What?
No.
Everything has a price. You don't want to go for a drive?
No, I just want to just take a look at it.
I mean, I want to feel the difference between this and my 550.
The only thing that remained true is just the door handle.
Yeah, and the clunkiness.
can buy this goddamn car. This car hugs you too. Oh, we're leaving with this car probably. Oh yeah, give us some gas.
Honestly,
what do you think so far? Do you think this could be?
I'm honestly very impressed because last time, the only time I really sat in it was in the showroom. I just was sitting in this one and the old ones to compare interiors and just the differences. But actually being behind the wheel, it's much more user-friendly than an old one, unfortunately. Sorry, but I mean, that's a true drive.
I don't get offended.
That was a shot.
So
it was not a shot, man. Come on, get out of here.
I'm joking.
So, mine's a different experience. Mine's a military truck. This is for pussies. Yeah, right.
A few moments later.
Well guys, we got the 488 fixed. Luckily it was just a little glass, they patched up, everything's good. We had a surprise visit, we went to Mercedes-Benz, test drove the new G63.
I think you should get that car, man. Let us know what you think you should get it. I think you should buy that car.
So I love the car, so right now it's either the Model S or the G-Wagon. Comment down below which one you guys prefer and why. And then I'll take into consideration and I'll probably make a decision based on that, or I'll highly consider your guys' comments. See you in the next video.